Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to my channel Mathphibian. Again I will say you welcome at my channel Mathphibian. Today I will teach you how to derive quadratic formula. And before going to solve this formula, first of all subscribe at my channel for getting updated videos. So the general quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now this is general quadratic equation. Divide this equation with a on both sides. So ax square over a plus bx over a plus c over a is equal to 0. After that a will be cut off with this x square plus b over a, write x here, plus c over a is equal to 0. Again x square plus b over ax is equal to minus c over a. Shift this value on another side, it would be negative. After that here we need to make a perfect square. For making perfect square we have to add something. What something is? X square plus we will add b over 2a square on both sides. b over 2a square whole square add on both sides, so that b over a x plus b over 2a on both sides, so minus c over a plus b over 2a square. We have added b over 2a whole square on both sides for the reason to make a perfect square. Now this and this will be enclosed in a square. X plus b over 2a whole square is equal to minus c over a plus b over 2a whole square. This is the case. Now we have to check this is correct or not. We can check this out. X plus b over 2a. Now expand this just for checking. X square plus b over 2a square plus 2 formula first value into b over 2a second value. Now cut, it will be x square plus b over 2a square plus b over ax. Again write it, x square plus b over ax plus b over 2a. So we check it, our formula is correct. Now take an LCM. We can further b over 2a square b square over 4a square. So minus c over a plus b square over 4a square. Now take an LCM. 4a square is the LCM. When this a divide on this, it will be 4a and c will be multiplied, plus 4a and a cancel, b square. Take square root on both sides, plus 2a whole square. Taking square root on both sides, this will be cut. Now x plus b over 2a is equal to minus 4. You can write b square first. B square minus 4ac square root over the square root of this 4a square. When you apply 2 square a square 2a, we can write 2a and plus minus. After that x will be here minus b over 2a plus minus b square minus 4ac over 2a. Take an LCM. 2a is the LCM. Minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac is the required formula of x. So this was the derivation of quadratic formula. Ax square plus bx plus c is the general equation, and we apply our concept to derive this formula, and this is the general formula of quadratic equation. So if you have any problem, you can discuss with me. Thanks for watching this video.